Hello dear learners, I am Prabha Biju and we are learning web designing. This is the 5th module. In the previous module, we have already started learning HTML tags and its attributes and also learned to develop web page. In this module, we will understand what is HTML hex color code, then some of the tags like font tags, block quotes, preformatted tag, marquee tag, and at the end, I'll explain you all the tags to show the demonstration of these tags. HTML color codes are the medium of representing the color format that a computer could read and display. So, the most used color code is HEX codes. HEX codes are 3-byte hexadecimal numbers which consists of 6 variables with a pair of characters in the hex code, which represents the intensity of RGB color that is red, green, blue. The format of hex color code begins with hash followed by 6 alphabets and numbers, and these numbers are hexadecimal numeric system. There are more than 1 crore different color possibilities. 00 value range of code represents the lowest intensity of color and FF value range of code represents the highest intensity of color. The first 2 variable in the code represents the intensity of red color. Third and fourth variable represents the intensity of green, and fifth and sixth variable represents the intensity of blue color. The combination of intensities of red, green and blue, almost any color can be made. And the white color is a mixture of 3 primary colors at full intensity representing the hex color code, that is hash F is 6 times, and the black color is a mixture of 3 primary colors at the lowest intensity representing the color, that is hash followed by 6 times 0. So, these are some of the examples of hex color code. The very first code, that is having first 2 variables F and rest of them are 0. That means this shows the red color and there is no green and no blue color. And for having green color, we will make the variables, first 2 variables 0, that is for red, and in the middle 2 variables will make it F for having the highest intensity of green color, and rest of the 2 zeros is for blue color. And the third example is of the blue color. Red and green has been made 0 and the last 2 variables are F for having blue color. This is one example of combination again to make the mixture of 2 colors, like here red and green color are mixed to get yellow color. So, for yellow color hex color code is hash FFFF00. This is the list of some of the common HTML color codes with the color name, hex color code, RGB color code. Now, suppose if we want aqua color, the code hex code for aqua color is hash 00 and FFFF for green and blue. So, this code will give aqua color. So, you can use either color name or hex color code to define color in the HTML web page. Moving on to the tag, that is font tag. Now, the font tag plays an important role in the web page to create an attractive and readable web page. The font tag is used to change the color, size and style of a text. As you can see the syntax here, font has 3 attributes: face, size and color. So, face means changing the font face. Size, you can resize the font, and color can be given in, as I told you, color name or color code. So, font tag is again a container tag. So, this is the opening tag, and in between you can put the text and you have to close it. So, this is one of the example here you can see. Font size is defined 24, and this is the text given between the opening and the closing tag. Then next example, for face, I have given the Arial font face and the text is given and it is closed. Then font color, here I have given the code, color code, and again it is closed. Now, this is the single font tag where all the three attributes are defined in a single font. At the end, we will see the command, this program and the result. Coming to the next tag, that is block quotes tag. The block quote tag in HTML is used to display long quotations. It changes the alignment to make it unique from others. Actually, it gives the extra margin from the left side to make it unique, to make it different. So, it contains both opening and closing tags. And this tag has only one attribute, and that is called cite, which is used to specify the source of the quotation. And this is the syntax: block quote, then content, and closing block quote. So, again this is a container tag. I have given this example. As I told you, at the end we can compile all these programs in one single program and we will see the output. Next is preformatted tag. Preformatted tag is used to keep the already existing format of the HTML document. So, whatever space is used in between the text in the HTML document, if you want to retain it, if you want to have the same format, we can go for preformatted tag. So, for preformatted tag, pre keyword is used. Pre tag is a container tag and the content is kept between the pre tags. So, as you can see here, this is the pre tag used in web document and I have given the space here. So, the same space will be now you can see in the web page. Coming to marquee tag. This is a very interesting tag. This tag gives the motion to the elements of any web document. Either it is text or table or images, it gives the motion to the element. So, as you can see here, this is the syntax. All these are its attributes. Again, it is a container tag, it has opening tag and closing tag. So, in the opening tag, we define all the attributes. To define the width, you can give the value in pixel or percentage. Similarly, with height, you can give the value in pixel or percentage. Then there is, you can define the direction down, up, left and right. Behavior is alternate, scroll or slide. Then scroll delay has the value in number. Then loop can have two values, either infinite or a number. Then BG color, as we have already used in with body tag, you have to give either color name or color code. Then you have H space and V space, the value can be given in pixel. Let us see this in detail. BG color, as you know, if you want to have the background color for marquee area, you can give color name or color code to that. Direction, it has four types of values like top, down, left and right. It defines the direction of scrolling of the content. The next attribute is loop. It takes the value as number. This is used to specify how many times content moves, and the default value is infinite. But if you want to fix the movement, then you can make use of loop attribute. Next attribute is height and width. You can fix the height and width of the marquee area with these attributes, and the value can be given either pixel or percentage. Next is H space and V space. This is to specify horizontal space and vertical space around the marquee, and the value it takes in pixels. Then we have scroll delay. The value again is given in number. The marquee scroll delay attribute in HTML is used to set the interval between each scroll movement in millisecond. The last attribute of marquee tag is behavior. This attribute is used to set the behavior of a scrolling or behavior of the movement of the content. So, there are three values: alternate, scroll and side. So, alternate moves the content from one direction to the other direction. So, now this is the example. You see here, I have tried to include all the tags of this session and also of the previous session. As you can see here, I have used HTML tag, then in the head tag, I have used title, and I have given the title example of font tag. Then here body starts. In body tag, I have given BG color and I have given the color code, that is in name of the color aqua, and again text is the color of font to be given in the text, and here I have given the example of HEX color code. Then there is marquee tag. Marquee tag, in between the text is given welcome to World Wide Web, and I have closed marquee tag here. Then you can see here several other marquee tags with other different attributes like direction, height, then behavior, to see the different behavior or ways of marquee tags. Then again I have given the example of font along with all the three attributes: size, face and color. And the content given in between is usage of tags and attributes. I have closed font tag here. Then there are two examples of block quote. I have taken two quotes here. Let's now see how it can be done, converted into web document, and then we'll see the result. So here I have copied the entire program in Notepad. For time being, I have kept only one line, one statement of marquee, and this is block quote, two block quotes and font, and here is pre-tag. Let us have a look how it will look in a web page. So this is the result. You see here it is scrolling, the text is scrolling, which was given in between the marquee tag welcome to World Wide Web. Since I have not used loop attribute, it will again come from the right side, move towards left. So that was the example of marquee tag. The second line was of font tag, and next to line is showing the block quote. As I told you, it gives the extra space in the left side to highlight the quotations. That's the only nature of block quotes. Then here is the example of pre-tag. As I said, that it retains the format of HTML document. As I have typed in the notepad, as you can see here, the program HTML document, same is displayed on the web page. So that is the work of pre-tag. It retains the format of the HTML document. So that's all for this session. Meet you in the next module, that is module number 6.